Hi everybody! Tour our interior stateroom from our early 2024 cruise aboard the Regal Princess. This particular cabin has a room number of B716, located towards the back of the ship on Deck 11 or the Baja Deck. So come on in and take a look, and as a bonus, you also see the complimentary room service menu as well. And throughout the little tour, we'll also give you our pros and cons of this stateroom. One pro right away here, and it applies to all Princess cruise cabins nowadays, is that the medallion you wear will automatically unlock your cabin door as you come near. So it's very convenient that you don't have to pull out the room keycard to unlock. Later, be sure to check out our other videos from aboard the Regal Princess, including extensive coverage of the food on board. Enjoy! This medallion control panel is pretty cool. You could, touch here if you want privacy, but sometimes you have that active and they see that, they'll come and clean the room because you forget to switch it or turn it off. So that'll be nice if they have some kind of timer based control, or allow their medallion app to be able to toggle these settings remotely.
There, you don't even have to put it up here. It's automatic.
Yeah, if you're close enough. Oh look, a walk-in closet.